The school van was busy and noisy. Batul, Sarah, Bushra, Anam, Beenish, and Yasmin were all sitting inside, chatting and laughing. But soon, small disagreements started to grow louder. The van driver sighed. He was tired of the constant fighting. Yasmin and Sarah began arguing over seats. Batul tried to calm them down, but Bushra and Anam joined the argument too. The van driver shook his head, wishing for peace. Seeing the van driver's tired face, Beenish stood up and suggested they play a fun game together instead of fighting. Slowly, the girls smiled and agreed. The van ride became peaceful once again. Hey friends, if you enjoyed our story, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a fun adventure. Thanks for watching.